Adam. I am an art teacher here at Bryn y Deryn and Carnegie Centre. I found the experience of the inspectors coming in quite nerve-wracking to begin with. I found it was really helpful to meet the inspectors on the first day they came in, and they explained to us what they were going to do, what they were looking at, and then the lessons that they did come and observe. Because it's a practical lesson, I got most of the inspectors involved in whatever I was doing with the learners, so we did some printing, there was some clay, actually do it alongside them as well, and I found that better than being observed just from the side.
Teachers were kept well informed at all times. They had a meeting at the very beginning where inspectors reassured them that they wouldn't be coming to whole lessons, they might pop in and out. They wanted people to feel relaxed. They're more of a natural feel around the school, so you don't feel so conscious about them coming in. We found them very respectful in coming in, you know, knocking the door, checking with the learners if it was okay for them to come in. Small groups of teachers met together with inspectors and they enjoyed that because they were together, and I think on the whole they felt it was a much less stressful experience than previous inspections.
I support the removal of summative gradings in the Epsom report. It's not always about being excellent or not excellent. To actually physically read what a school has done, what the positives and negatives are, it helps people understand what the school are working towards. After the inspection process, as a school we look to improve our attendance. So we're looking at doing that through pastoral time with the learners. We're trying to implement more Welsh in our lessons, which can be quite challenging with the learners that we've got. But as a team, you know, we're all quite close and we're all doing the same in our lessons, trying to improve the Welsh throughout the school.